What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making a loaded potato salad. Classic potato salad is great, but this loaded potato salad even better. Let's get right into it. All right, we're gonna start out by cooking our bacon. If you don't eat pork, you can use some beef bacon, or you can omit the bacon altogether, but I'm gonna get mine on the bacon sheet and get it in the oven. You can fry it up if you like, but we're gonna go ahead and get our bacon going to start out with. All right, for this recipe, I like to use red potatoes, but if you got some old potatoes at home, you can go ahead and use those. But if you're going out and buying some, try to get red. I feel like they work best for this recipe. We're gonna go ahead and clean these up, and then we're gonna pierce them so that they cook a little quicker, and we're gonna get them in some water and get them boiling. Please don't pierce them the way I'm doing it. Just grab your fork and pierce these up. I was lazy, so I just did it with my knife. And we're gonna go ahead and get these in some boiling water and let them cook till they're nice and tender. All right, now we're gonna start on our dressing or wet mixture, whatever you wanna call it. I will have the specific ingredients listed in the description box below, so check that out. But I'm going in with some sour cream. This is a little bit of mayonnaise. Now I'm gonna go in with some green onions. I'm gonna use the green and the whites of it. All right, now I'm gonna grab my whisk and go ahead and mix this together. All right, once that combined, we're gonna season it up. I'm just using salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And the key ingredient is some ranch seasoning. I use about a tablespoon or so. Again, it's listed in the description box. Go ahead and mix this up until it's well combined. All right, now I'm gonna add in some sharp cheddar cheese. Again, I like to leave my recipes flexible so you can use whatever cheese you got. But I'm using sharp cheddar. Now this is that bacon that I baked up earlier. We're gonna add that, save a little bit for the top. Go ahead and mix this together. It's good to use a spatula here instead of a whisk so that your ingredients don't get stuck in that whisk. Just get you a rubber spatula and mix it together. All right, now once those potatoes are done cooking, as you can see, they're nice and soft, nice and tender. Just go ahead and cut them into equal pieces. You can cut them a little bit bigger, you can cut them smaller, however you want it. Just try to get equal pieces if you can. Also, if you wanted to peel them, you can do that as well, but I don't think the skin hurts anything, so I leave the skin on. Now go ahead and add this into your dressing. All right, once you got your potatoes added, you want to go ahead and give this a mix. We almost done, folks. Just mix that up until it's well combined. You know, you can taste as you go, add more seasoning if you need it. Mine was just fine the way it is. So I just got this mixed up real good, and then I plated it up. All right, now to garnish it, I'm gonna add some more of that bacon that I saved to go on top. Some more green onions. You can top it off with some more cheese if you want. And that's it, real easy, real simple. Loaded potato salad. Again, classic potato salad is good, but try this at your next cookout. Everybody's gonna love it. Now go ahead and help your boy out by liking this video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think in the comments. Time for the taste test. And oh yeah, that's off the chain. See you on the next one, deuces.